and overflowing blessings to everyone. For our daily verse, we are now at Exodus chapter 30 in verse 22 up to verse 33. The Lord said to Moses, "Mix 4 liters of olive oil with the following costly spices: 6 kilograms of myrrh, 3 kilograms of cinnamon, 3 kilograms of cane, and 6 kilograms of acacia. Measure this according to the official standards, then use this sacred measure for dedicating the tent and chest, the table with its equipment, the lampstand with its equipment, the incense altar with all its utensils, the altar for sacrifices, and the large bowl with its stand. By dedicating them in this way, you will make them so holy that anyone who even touches them will become holy. When you ordain Aaron and his sons as my priests, sprinkle them with some of this oil, and say to the people of Israel, this oil must always be used in the ordination service of a priest. It is holy because it is dedicated to the Lord. So treat it as holy. Don't ever use it for everyday purposes or mix any for yourselves. If you do, you will no longer belong to the Lord's people." So this passage is about the usage and the ingredients of the anointing oil yun that is used during the ordination of a priest during the Old Testament era. So it is the origin of the term anointed, meaning that priest was anointed by the oil, but by that kind of oil during their dedication. But now, the question is, since we are now in the New Testament era, is that practice is still applicable to us? Well, for me, maybe it is still applicable, but I believe that with or without the oil, God can still anoint you. And with or without the oil, God can still use you.